Everyone, today I've got a quick DJI Osmo Nano tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to transfer your video footage and photos from your camera over to the Multifunctional Vision Dock memory card. It's really quite simple to do, so let's dive right into it. Now first off, you do need to make sure you have a memory card here in your Vision Dock. It goes right here on the side. If you don't have one, I'll put a link to the ones that DJI recommends down below in the description. And we need to attach our camera to the multifunctional vision dock. Now you do need to make sure that the lens on the camera is facing the other direction from the screen. So it needs to go on in this direction. Otherwise you'll get an error when you do the transfer. And then we can go ahead and turn on our camera and vision dock. So hold down the button for a couple of seconds. It'll load up. Now if you do want to see your footage, you can tap on the little icon here on the side. And you can see all your footage in there. So there is footage in there that I want to transfer over. So now from our main screen, we'll swipe down from the top and you'll get a little menu. And we're going to swipe from right to left. And this will show you how much storage you have on your Nano, which is the camera, and your SD card, which is the SD card in your Vision Dock. But in the top right hand corner, it says export to SD card. We can go ahead and tap on that. And it's going to load up an option that says export files from internal storage to SD card. Now this is where you're going to get the error if your camera is facing the wrong direction. So again, make sure the camera is the opposite direction of the screen. And then we can go ahead and hit confirm. And it's going to start copying those files over. It says exporting, do not remove SD card or power off camera. I have 11 items in there. Export successful. Now if you have more files, of course, that's going to take a lot longer. Go ahead and hit confirm. And those files are transferred over to your SD card. And really it's that simple to transfer your video footage and photos from your DJI Osmo Nano to the memory card. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out. Until next time, take care.